12 exercises to improve your posture. Why posture so important? Having a suitable posture is about greater than searching for good. It helps you to improve strength, flexibility, and stability in your body. These can all lead to much less muscle ache and extra strength for the duration of the day. Proper posture additionally reduces stress on your muscular tissues and ligaments, which can limit your danger of injury. As you work on your posture and come to be greater conscious of your body, you may even observe some imbalances or areas of tightness you weren't until now conscious of. 1. Child's pose. This resting pose stretches and lengthens your spine, glutes, and hamstrings. The child's pose helps to launch anxiety in your decreased return and neck. 2. Forward fold. This standing stretch releases anxiety in your spine, hamstrings, and glutes. It additionally stretches your hips and legs. While doing this stretch, you ought to sense the whole again facet of your physique opening up and lengthening. 3. Cat-cow. Practicing cat-cow stretches and massages your spine. It additionally helps to relieve anxiety in your torso, shoulders, and neck whilst advertising blood circulation. 4. Standing cat-cow. Doing the cat-cow stretch whilst standing helps to loosen up the tightness in your back, hips, and glutes. 5. Chest opener. This workout permits you to open and stretch your chest. This is in particular beneficial if you spend most of your day sitting, which tends to make your chest cross inward. Strengthening your chest additionally helps you stand up straighter. 6. High plank. The excessive plank pose helps to relieve ache and stiffness in your body whilst strengthening your shoulders, glutes, and hamstrings. It additionally helps you strengthen stability and energy in your core and back, each necessary for correct posture. 7. Side plank. You can use a facet plank to preserve the impartial alignment of your spine and legs. This energizing pose works the muscle groups in your facets and glutes. Strengthening and aligning these muscular tissues helps to guide your lower back and enhance posture. 8. Downward facing dog. This is a headbend that can be used as a resting pose to stabilize out your body. The downward facing canine pose helps to relieve again pain, whilst additionally strengthening and aligning your returned muscles. Practicing it usually helps to enhance posture. 9. Pigeon pose. This is a hip opener that additionally loosens up your spine, hamstrings, and glutes. The pigeon pose can additionally assist to stretch your sciatic nerve and quadriceps. Opening and stretching these locations in your physique makes it less difficult to right imbalances in your posture. 10. Thoracic backbone rotation. This workout relieves tightness and aches in your return whilst growing steadiness and mobility. 11. Glute squeezes. This exercise helps to toughen and set off your glutes whilst relieving decreased returned pain. It additionally improves the functioning and alignment of your hips and pelvis, main to higher posture. 12. Isometric Rose. This exercise helps to relieve ache and stiffness from sitting in one vicinity for too long. Isometric pulls work your shoulder, arm, and lower back muscles, giving you the energy to preserve correct posture.